birthday million. Ah! What is wrong with you? Aisha Speed, are you okay? Ah! Are you crazy? Yo, chat, I don't know how I got to this dimension.
Who broke my blender?
Speed, run!
Come here.
A few moments later.
I'll give you anything. I'll give you anything. Please just let me go. I am sorry. Please.